Got ourselves the Samsung S25. Let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing here. Okay, so first thing, let's check and see what's on this side. Just straight up opening this up like a savage. We get some pretty important paperwork here, so we throw that off to the side. Now we get the USB-C to USB-C cable. We get our SIM extractor tool right here. And the last thing we get is the S25 here. This is the 128 gigabyte version. Comes in silver. And that is pretty much what it comes with. So besides the paperwork there, you just have the S25, the USB-C to USB-C cable, and the SIM extractor tool. That concludes this unboxing.